Hizi ni daladala huko. Hizi nyanya 10 hapa. Hizi mwenyewe. Hapa. Tanifungia hizi. So guys, I'm just from the market and this is what I bought. This is a pigweed. It's called mchicha. It's a organic vegetable. It's a weed but an edible one. Pigweed and just some tomatoes and onions. This is what I'll be cooking today. Tomatoes and onions, and of course ugali, you know. Yes, cook with me. Let me show you how to cook this simple African meal. Thank you. You guys, already chopped my onions and tomatoes, and here I got my mchicha, my pigweed. So we're gonna start cooking. So we'll pour these onions to this cooking sufuria, cooking pan, and let me just add this more. Yes, that's my onions, and just like that I'm gonna light my gas, my cooking gas, like this. It's already lit. That's how we start our cooking. These are cooking stick. I use it to just starting, making sure that the oil, or the cooking oil, is just masked properly. Is it a mask or a mask? A mask properly. So we wait for the golden brown color of these onions. Then we add the tomatoes, and this is my ugali flour. This is my ugali flour. As you can see, it's so white, guys. Yeah, that's my ugali flour. You can see it from this far. Yes, ugali flour, you can see it from this far. Wow, I got rhyme, guys. I got rhymes. So my onions are cooking. Let's wait for the golden brown color. I'm really sweating profusely. Let me like turn on this fan just for beautiful air circulation. This is my bed here. This is my humble home. This is my kitchen. Yep. You. We wait for the golden brown color here. See? We wait for the golden brown color. Let me reduce the fire. It's like too much. You know, this is what we're cooking, guys. It's called mchicha, pigweed. Let me show you how to cook this simple African meal, you know. Simple African pigweed. You know. I think the heat is too much, still too much. Let me just reduce it somewhere there. It's okay. Now, as my tomatoes are cooking, these no tomatoes, onions are cooking. These are my tomatoes here. The main meal of the day, pigweed and some chili, like chili, what they call ingredients, chili ingredients, Royco cubes. I'll use this one. Yeah, it's very simple procedure. I think they're turning golden brown, turning golden brown. Nice one. I wanna add my it's very hard to film and cook at the same time, guys, so that's why I will be cutting this video for some time, you know. So I'll be adding my onion. One. I will add some salt. This is my salt. It's called Kenya salt. Kenya salt. I add some salt, enough, not too much. Just a little bit. Wagwan, you already know. Then I'll cover my that way. I've covered it to cook for some time. Then I'll add my mchicha, you know, let it cook for some time. Then I will make sure the onions are rightfully ripe, like on the mood, you know. Wagwan. It's time to add my vegetable, the pigweed vegetable, inside my ripe tomatoes and onions. Wagwan. It's gonna be so amazing, guys. It's gonna be so amazing. I'm gonna be using this to stir them. Gonna change. Wagwan. So you do this. You make sure all the vegetables are masked on the soup, on the the onions and tomatoes, you know, that they're starting turning sexier and delicious, you know. Then you just cover it for some time. You don't overripe them. If you overripe them, the ingredients tend to go away, you know. The heat can eat all the ingredients in this vegetable, so you don't overripe them. That's how it's cooking, guys. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Now, look at it. Pigweed and ugali. After this, I'm going to cook ugali. You know, ugali is famous in Kenya. Ugali is so famous. Look at this. Look at that. My vegetable is come out. You know, look at it, guys. So special. So I'll cover it for like a minute, and then it will be ready to be served, you know. But I won't serve like right now. I'll make sure I cook my ugali first. I'll cover it like this. This is my little knife. My little knife got broken, guys. This is the handle. You see? So it broke, and I have to use it like this, you know. Like right now, I haven't bought another one, but I'll cover it for some time, for like a minute, you know. Then I'll go direct. I'll put the ugali water to boil, and then I will come for it. Cooking ugali is like some tedious work, you know. It did some cooking ugali is like heavy. You need some, you know, you need some energy, you know, to cook ugali. I'm really sweating. Let me use this towel. I'm really sweating. Even this fan, I don't think has some effect because this place is so hot as fuck. So hot. So I will be cooking. I think even my vegetable is already cooked. It's already cooked. Wow. Look at that. Already cooked, guys. Already cooked. I'll turn off my gas. Look at that. I'll cover it for some time as I cook my ugali. Time to cook ugali, guys. Time to cook ugali. As you can see, I'm shirtless. It's hot. Yeah, I feel like standing like this here, you know, because of this fan. Like it's hot. You know. Time to cook ugali. This ugali flour. I serve it like this, then I add in the water. Take my cooking stick, clean one. I start doing this slowly, stirring it slowly. See, I do this. Very simple. What's the ingredients of cooking ugali? Just water and flour. Boiling water and ugali flour. I think this flour is enough for this ugali, you know, enough for this ugali. You see, it starts being like, oh, I will cut this video because I can't cook ugali with this one hand because the sphere is moving. You see, I need to hold it so that I can really cook it hard, you know, because this must be a hard. I'll show you the product, but this is the way to cook it, you know, just doing this and doing this, and very simple procedure. See you when the food is ready, you know. Guys, my food is ready. This is my ugali here, and my mchicha, my ugali here. You see, the ugali is ripe, and my vegetable here, very good. Let me just take the first bite. You do this, take your ugali, you do this, then you do this, you put your veg here like this, then you do this, very sweet, very sweet. Let me eat. I'll take you outside. What's up, guys? Just after eating my early breakfast and late lunch, I don't know, heavy breakfast and late lunch, not early lunch, late breakfast, or early lunch, late breakfast, or heavy breakfast, no lunch, I don't know, whatever, man. I ate my ugali and mchicha. I'm full. I thank God for that. I'm happy. I woke up today. The sun is sunning. The day is hot. We are living. We are still alive. We thank God for that, guys. And I'm in my normal flyover thing. I always walk here just to get this breeze and talk to you guys, you know. As I go to a place where the net is very good, where I can let me walk in the middle here, you know. As I go where the network is very nice, where I can upload the video. What I can say is the day is good. God is great.
God is living. At least I got food. I ate something. I had something to eat. That's something to say thank you. You know, I must be grateful for that, of being alive. You know, being alive and having something to eat. There's someone somewhere who doesn't have that privilege, you know. So you must be thankful each and every day. So guys, tomorrow I'll be heading to the beach. It's been long since I went to the beach. I don't know why I'm becoming lazy and lazier. I must correct that. So I just came here to finish the video. The lunch was spectacular, perfecto. You know, I love it guys. Continue supporting me, watching my videos. Remember to subscribe, guys. Remember to subscribe. Leave a comment just to motivate me. I don't know if you will watch the video till the end. Anyone who has watched this video till the end, remember to comment, you know. Remember to comment. I will be so happy. Let me show you the beautiful space I am in. The beautiful space I am in. This Mombasa Magongo area, you know. Anyway guys, it's been a very nice day. I will remember to take a video in the evening, you know. Fly over here. As you can see, I'm high up. Very dangerous though. Very dangerous. I'm risking my life. Not that dangerous though. Yes. There's a pathway. There's a path to walk here. You know, as you can see. And I thank God for keeping me alive again today. You know, let's pray that God leads us till tomorrow. I love you guys. Remember to subscribe, comment, and share this video. Like this video so that it can reach more other people, you know. Adios muchachos, guys. Peace.